So there has been a ceasefire between Iran and USA, and that is why this token called WRT or World Rebuilding Trust is kind of trending. You can see from the price action this particular meme coin is continuously pumping for the last 3 days, and today, despite the dump, it went back up and again made new all-time high. So in this video, I will talk about this token, about the price action, about the smart contract, and why I believe it can actually mint you 10x if the ceasefire deal continues, and of course can really make you money in the short and long term. Right now sitting at 300k market cap, this can be a good bet for the short term crypto gain. So with that, let's dive in. Let's talk about WRT token, which is World Rebuilding Trust, a meme coin on Solana blockchain. Now again, if you're someone who's new here and watching my videos for the first time, please do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't done already, and make sure to click on the link below and join my free public Telegram group to get calls like these faster. Remember, I covered this token at 100k market cap on my Telegram community. So don't wait more, just click on link below in the description and join my free public Telegram group. And again, nothing here is financial advice PTYR. So let's dive in. So here we have WRT token. The page looks quite active. You can see here this one's posted 6 hours back. And if we scroll down, you will see all posts are kind of very much quite actively published. So again, the thing is that we need to talk about the price action. By the way, before I talk about that, there are two types of WRT tokens. One is this one. This is again by the same dev, but again, this one kind of dumped, and I think they migrated to a new contract, which is this one. So if you found out this one, of course, I will share the link of the actual one in the description. So don't go for the one that was dumped badly like this and then pumped. Go for this one, which is actually pumping for the last 3 to 4 days, so that you know which is the legit token. Of course, as I said, I will share the contract address in the description so you won't miss out. And if you want to learn how to buy this token, well, join my public Telegram or comment below and I will guide you. So this is WRT. The price action is good. Overall, it looks good because of the Trump announcement. The ceasefire deal is here between Iran and USA, and let's see how it goes. Now, when we talk about the smart contract, we need to take a look at what is going on. So the holders are kind of rising and very low in number, 917 only. That is kind of nothing for this meme coin. That means if it pumps, you are very early. Again, supply is close to 1 billion token, top 10 holder holding 32% of the supply, which is a bit concerning, but pump fund EM holding 7.45, so that is okay. This guy, the number 2 guy, is holding 6%, which is huge, and the third guy holding 4%. So these two are a cause of concern. Otherwise, the token looks okay. So there is a slight chance of rug pull in this token. So be very careful before investing. Do not put all your money into this meme coin. Of course, it can pump. It can make you 2x, 3x, and 10x maybe. But again, don't go all in. That is my take on this. Now, talking about the bubble maps, let us see more clearly. So in the bubble maps, this particular cluster holding 4%, then this one holding 1%, this one holding 0.48, and this one holding 3.9%. So clearly it is not much clustered, but again, like I said, if the top 10 holder, let's say second or third, start dumping their token, it will of course crash. Right now it is not pumped, so of course they will wait for it to pump, and that is when you enter into the market. So you buy the right token, you enter it, you make money, you make 10x or maybe 2x, 3x, whatever you want as per your target, and then exit. Do not hold it thinking it will hit $1. Token like this doesn't hit $1, but they can make you quick gains by investing early. Right now it is trading at around 358 market cap, which is right over here, which is low. The volume is okay at 191k for this meme coin. Of course, holders are also low. So overall, this can be trusted for quite some time. But again, I suggest if you want to invest in the meme coin, just invest pretty small amount and see the gains and then take out the profit. Overall, the community is developing. It's very new, very fresh. So let's see how it goes. So with that, I complete my video. If it trends, just let me know, comment below, and join my Telegram for more such alphas on a daily basis. Till then, let's meet tomorrow in a new video, new content, and make sure to watch the videos on end screen and check out my platinum membership. Let's meet tomorrow and make some money this year in 2026.